What's up? Yun, natapos guys ang aming ministry. At yun, McKinley Hill tayo.
Wow.
Akyat tayo doon papuntang Venice.
Wow.
Oh, sorry. So ayan, maglalakad tayo paakyat. Medyo malayo-layo ang ating lalakarin.
Paano masabi?
Ang aming ministry ay mag-relax daw muna sila.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Yun, na uli yung dalawa. So alay lakad tayo guys. We're going to Venice, Italy. So here in Venice, Italy are many trees and many people here walking around the world, and I don't know where they are going. So they are laughing. Do you want money? Do you want my money? You want money? Oh, so you have a lot of money inside of your bags? Money. Is it your money?
Money is so very many.
Oh my goodness. So tired, but very happy because even though we are so tired from our ministry, so we're just giving ourselves to relax to a place that we are comfortable to stay. So here are many palm tree. I'm not sure if this tree is a palm tree. So Buddy R and Mitch are there. So they are so tired already. But as you can see, they are smiling. Si Romina at saka si Danielo, yan, maglalayas dyan kasi nag-away sila. Dala-dala yung maleta o mga gamit na yan. So dito guys ay maraming Christmas light kasi Merry Christmas na. So Merry Christmas to everyone. It's already my Christmas gift. And also today is my birthday, so just be ready my birthday gift. So I'm so excited to see again Venice. Ayun na, nakikita ko na yung Torre ng Venice. Oh, aking mga kasama ay napagod. At ayun, nagpahinga sila. Oh, see? Yan, si Brother Will. Say hi! Napapagod na ba kayo? Napagod. Yeah. So, this is Charmaine. Napagod na sila. Oh, bali wala lang to basic. Basic kay Michelle. So, ayun na nga guys. Ayun na yung Venice. Yan, kunting lakad na lang. Papasok na tayo ng Venice. Tatawid lang tayo dyan sa crossing na yan. Tapos Venice na yan. Ooh. Shut up. Shut up, not shout out. Shut up. Emergency din kami. In-stop yung ambulance. In-stop yung ambulance kasi emergency din daw kami. Pero ang ganda ng building. Pinara niya kasi, sabi niya, kuya, emergency din kami, sabi niya. At ayun na nga guys, napasok na tayo. May tubig. May tubig sa kanal. Mag-Starbucks daw sila. So today guys is my birthday. At iti-treat daw ako ng aking mga kasama. Ooh.
Paano masabi?
Oh, birthday ko daw kaya iti-treat ako ng aking mga kasama sa Starbucks. Magkakape lang daw. Ay, ang dumi ngayon. Bakit madumi ngayon? Madumi siya ngayon. Ang Venice. Saan tayo? Uy! At ayun na nga guys. Video! Ang ganda ng pwesto, ng position. O sige, picture! Picture! 1, 2, 3. Video! Video! Nandito kami guys sa sa park. Sa likod ng Venice. Yan. So gabi na. Ay, magiinuman daw kami.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Tapos mag-iinuman daw. Maglalaseng. So ating i-interviewin si Charmaine. Is this your second time to visit Venice?
No,
Third time, okay? So when you first time visit Venice, what is your experience?
Oh, it's so amazing. Like, it's, oh, there's a nice place in the Philippines, you know?
Okay, so how about you, Mitch? So this is your first time to visit Venice, right?
No, it is my second time.
Okay, so Charmaine is already hungry.
Yeah, I want photo.
You want photo?
Yeah.
Mariar! Hey!
He's busy.
He's busy taking photo. Mariar! Charmaine is already hungry and she want photo. Mariar! Please buy photo because Charmaine is already hungry and she want to eat photo. Hey!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow the candle.
Happy birthday wish ay baka pagkasama na si Ruel. Hindi sana dadami pa ng taon ng ating ministry. Yun lang.
Blow the cake.
I see. Ba't ako masira sa birthday na to? Okay, wait lang. Happy birthday to you.
Ito po ang birthday niya. Ay, ang birthday niya. Ito po ang
My friends is here. This is Samantha.
Yes.
And this is Andrea.
Yes.
And this is Simon.
Simon.
And Peter.
And Peter.
Wala, ba't akong Peter?